Hello guys, welcome to Mega Light Unboxing, and for this video I want to review and unbox the Infinix Hot 12i. The price of this phone is 67,000 naira and it is among the phones when they come for this Hot 12 series. Make I for not waste your time, we'll just go straight to the unboxing. So come we'll go the unboxing of the phone. The phone comes inside this box, and if you open them, now the phone go first greet you. The phone carry the quick specifications for front, and them include 64 gig RAM, 3 gig RAM when you fit expand by another 3 gig RAM. I go talk about this one later. Other quick specs here na the 5000 mAh battery and the 13 megapixel back camera. Also inside the box na the SIM injector, X-Pack card, one S-Good card, transparent bumper case, charger when get expandable legs, USB 2.0 cable, and finally earpiece. When it comes to the design of the phone here, I not be fan. Usually phone companies get the habit of not designing cheap phones like this fine. So I not dey surprised say this phone be like this. Front of the phone carry one camera, one flashlight, call speaker, and proximity sensor for here. Left corner of the phone carry the power button and the volume button. If you press this button, it will give you strong clicking sound. Also, this power button no carry the fingerprint sensor, but I think my main problem here na the loud clicking sound from this button. The top corner of the phone dey empty. Right of the phone carry the SIM house. This phone dey support 2 SIM with memory card. With the phone, you fit insert 4G SIM and browse with am because the phone dey support 4G network. Bottom of the phone carry the main speaker, charging port, microphone, and audio jack. For the back, na 16 megapixel camera dey here. Na 3 cameras and it dey support autofocus. The back still carry flashlight here plus the fingerprint unlock. Still on the design, the edges of the phone dey okay. The back of the phone na plastic they take make am and it dey very smooth. The only problem here be say because it dey smooth, it go make am easy to slip from hand and fall. So if the phone for rough small, it will make more sense, especially as the phone dey big. And when it comes to the size of the phone, na about 80mm by 170mm. See how it compare with this infrared gun thermometer. And when it comes to a storage capacity, you need to know something. Hot 12i come in 2 variants. The 2 variants they use the same 64 gig RAM storage capacity, but when it comes to their RAM, one they use 2 gig RAM, while this one when I dey review now they use 3 gig RAM. The price of that one when they use 2 gig RAM na 62,000 naira, while this one na 67,000 naira. With 5,000 naira difference, you dey get 3 gig RAM phone when fit expand to 6 gig RAM phone. The display na 6.82-inch LCD with 720p resolution. The screen dey try to respond fast as you touch am, but it no too look premium. For movies, this device no be bad idea. But again, no expect perfection from this display. But as you dey watch film with this display, you go notice say e no go give you that fine experience when 1080p resolution screen go give you. This Hot 12i dey run on Android 11 with MediaTek Helio A22 processor. The XOS version of the phone na 7.6. The battery capacity of the phone na 5000 mAh and na the current standard for most phones na be that. Maybe very soon we go see phones with up to 7000 mAh battery capacity as the average standard. I no dey sure if the charger na fast charger and how long e go charge the battery full. So I go just plug the phone and leave am to charge for 10 minutes and see wetin we go get. As of this time, the battery percentage na 48. After the countdown of 10 minutes of charge, the battery increased from 48% to 54%. That is 6% in 10 minutes. This charging rate dey a little slow. At this rate, it go take the phone almost 2.8 hours to charge full. About the battery drain test, e just dey on the average. 10 minutes of use no make much difference to the battery. At least e try for here. But on a day wey no dey normal, high end game go suck the battery and warm the phone up small. I try check for the default apps wey come with this phone. My mind be say Folax Infinix voice assistant go come with the phone, but e no dey. Though last year when they released Folax, na the only more expensive phones for their series get the feature. I only hope say dem don ex ten d am to their entry level phones, but e no dey here. But if you so much care about the Biz app, you go see am for this phone as a follow come app, but no update yet. So na those bits wey you don already know for the application na you go still see. But I just like to play around this Biz app, so make we hear some bits. This phone no be dust and water resistant phone. E no dey support 5G, e no get side mount fingerprint because na back na the fingerprint dey, and e no dey use USB Type-C cable. So if you dey buy this phone, know say you dey stuck with that normal USB 2.0 cable. But e come with this Wisdom game apps wey you fit use take play games without connection to the internet. The app come with some games like Bomber Hero, Ludo Classic, and Zuma Boom. The back camera of the phone na 13 megapixel with autofocus for the portrait mode. The video mode for the back camera no work. See some videos when I take with am. For the first video, na indoor shot. Hello, welcome to Megalite Unboxing, and this one na the back camera of the Infinix Hot 12i. If you dey wonder if the camera clear reach or not, I guess this one you don't already know if the camera makes sense or not, and also the audio quality of this back camera or the phone in general. Well, na budget phone, na super budget phone, so we not really expect say the camera or the audio quality of the phone go to make sense. But I guess, well, it still be acceptable anyway, and camera na camera because we use that to take at least some very good shots and some videos when you want to use personally. But when it comes to something when you want to use as a main video, then this camera na local area. For this second video, na outdoor shot. If you think of say you won't buy phone because of camera, then probably this phone not be for you, because 13 megapixel as back camera no go dey enough to do something much, except maybe just small videos when you want use take play around for house. But if you dey talk about more professional videos, perhaps something when you want share online or something when you want be proud of, then run away from this camera. As for the portrait mode, the focus feature when come with not too strong, and you no get control over am because na autofocus. Only the phone dey determine the strength of the focus, and the strength of the focus for the portrait mode not too strong. So e no go too blow out background reach the way you go expect am. Take for example this side-by-side comparison of the same picture from the normal mode of the camera and the portrait mode of the camera. Although the portrait mode of the camera try to blur the background here, but e not too strong reach. So it pretty much almost look like the normal mode of the camera. Another aspect of the camera na the beauty mode. The beauty mode go only try to smoothen your face and then make am look like say you no get some wrinkles or some kind of pimples for the face. Apart from that, nothing more dey here. For front, the phone carry 8 megapixel camera wey no too bad for selfie. Check out how this camera dey perform. Overall, I feel many phone companies, they try to rebrand old phones into new phones by adding one or two more features. Like in case of this phone, they only add the RAM storage expansion for inside and then sell them to us as new phone. Otherwise, this phone are almost the same thing with phones of this range when you be saying Infinix released last year. We need more features like bigger batteries, better display. For 67,000 naira, I think this phone is overpriced. The only thing we give credit to the price of this phone na the large storage space when it be say come with the phone. Otherwise, 60,000 naira for be a fair price for this phone. Or what do you think about the price of this phone? You think say they overpriced or you think say the price they fair? Tell me what you think for the comment section for bottom. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. This video will take you to Infinix Note 11i unboxing and review, while this video will take you to Infinix Hot 11 Play unboxing and review. Abeg, make sure say you check these two videos out. Don't forget to watch them or go down to the description to find their links too. See you for my next video.